Hello everyone, this is how to download and install correctly the latest version of Godot 4. In this case, the release candidate. This is how I do it. The hacker's way. We go to Tux family in your favorite browser, Tux family, and you can see I've got downloads, Tux family, Godot engine 4.0. We let that open and it should give us a list of the files available. We go down here and you can see all the alpha builds. Everything's here on the tuxfamily.org site under the Godot engine 4.0 branch. And we're going to go to the RC1 release candidate number 1, and it's got everything we need here. In my case, I'm on Linux and I'm on a 64-bit Linux x86 machine, so I'm going to click on get that one. Then somewhere here we're going to see it downloading. It's got 7 minutes and some minutes left. Downloading there. It's going to quickly download at the speed of light via my optical fiber internet connection as a zip file. And what we should do is let's show it in the, click that, it will show us where it is. Hopefully there's nothing bad there. And yeah, we got our zip file there in our downloads directory. So what the next thing to do is to check on the SHA-512 sums to make sure it's integral. It's not compromised in any way. That's something nobody does, is it? So let's go click here. On Windows you can go Windows thing in the left bottom corner and then your command CMD. Then you get this terminal and you're going to go CD to our downloads directory, tab to get a quick link to it, and then we're going to go SHA 512 sums. That is the, hopefully I got that right. Go dot, start it out with that, tab that, and then what is it, RC? There we go. I'm typing partially the name of the file, and then I go tab to expand it out to get the rest of it. So I did sums. It's probably just sum instead of sums. You have to remember these things. But try it again. There we go. And we got a long sum. Expand that out a little bit. And what I try to do, I just remember the first part of the sum. This is called a hash. It's calculating a number based on an algorithm on all the bytes in the file that we downloaded. In this case, this zip file. And then we got, it starts with 33B88D, and then at the end it's ABC196. And if we go here, we look for our, hey, let's look at this. Let's look at, that's our thing there. Let's move it down and let's scroll it up till we get to this one we downloaded, that one, the x86 64 zip. And then let's have a look at what we got. See, we got 33B thingy, and then at the end ABC196, so it's basically the same number, isn't it? We don't bother checking everything inside. It's highly unlikely that's going to be wrong, so we can trust this. And then we can go to our file manager, click that, and then we're on downloads, and there, double click it. That'll open our zip file that we want to extract it to. In my case, I go to the apps on my, I've set up a directory called apps, and you can see there's various Godot Godot and builds there. Just extract it. And it says it's done, so close. And then we go back. And, oh, okay, let's go back to apps. You can see it's probably done it there. Date modified. Yeah, we got RC1 there. Now, in my Linux system here, I'm going to go right click on this, like how the system, how I get to my apps, and then I go configure and a menu. By the way, I'm on Linux Mint here, and open the menu editor. Then I'm going to go to my programming stuff, and I'm going to select the latest version of Godot, which used to be beta, what is it, 14, 16, yeah. Any of those will do. I should probably delete these actually. Let's disable that, who needs it? Let's go there, and this is one we added previously. And if I click properties, I'm going to call it, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to go, it's called Godot 4.0. I think it's 4.0 still, isn't it? 0.0 RC1. There you go. And then command, I'm going to change the command to the latest one. So we go there. I'm going to open that file rather than the beta before. So let's go OK, and then it's still got the same icon. I'll show you if you want to put the different icon, just click there, and then you can choose another icon from all these places, you know. But I'm not gonna change it because I want the good icon. Close, and then everything should be happy. Close all this, close all that, and then if I go there, my usual file menu under programming, where I set that up. See, I've got Godot 4 RC1. There we go. Give it some time. Let's see if we can open something. What was the latest thing I did? I don't know. Something. See if that works. Come on, hurry up. Come on, I'm waiting. This takes a little bit of time when you first try the new one, doesn't it? There we go. Oh yeah, I was working on a graph thing for a tutorial. Oh. Yeah, let's play the scene or play the whole thing. I don't know. I didn't do much. Come on, does it work? Oh yeah, it does. Maybe we'll close it too soon. Let's do it again. Here it goes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know why I was doing that. Anyway, graph. Oh yeah, on different scenes. So let's go. Yeah, there we go. It's working. Yeah, it works. It's working. Look at that. It's working. My first app or like game or whatever is demo working in the latest version of Godot RC1. So hopefully that was interesting, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.